Now second chapter, velocity and acceleration in mechanism. This is actually you have to produce velocity and acceleration diagram. So I will explain how this velocity and acceleration diagram is to be produced. So in earlier chapter we learn about the mechanism as kinematic chain in which one link is fixed, and during the motion of link every point on the driven link moves with definite displacement, velocity and acceleration at a particular instant of time. In this chapter, determine the velocity and acceleration of the link in a mechanism either graphically or analytically. So how this graphical method, what is the graphical method to find the velocity and acceleration, that we will see in this chapter. So the various methods used to determine the velocity and acceleration of link as relative velocity and relative acceleration method. Second, instantaneous center method. Third, Kellin's construction method. Now linear velocity. Linear velocity means velocity is defined as rate of change of displacement with respect to time, means ds upon dt. ds means the rate of change of displacement and this change of time. So it is a vector quantity and it is denoted by v or u. U means initial velocity, v means final velocity, that we will see further. So linear velocity. Then angular velocity. So angular velocity, you can see in this figure, it is defined at the rate of change of angular displacement with respect to time, to d theta upon dt. From point A to point B, angular displacement is d theta. So angular velocity, and the relation between the linear velocity and angular velocity is this v is equal to rw, in which v is the linear velocity, r means radius of length of link, and omega is the angular velocity of the link. Then absolute velocity. Absolute velocity means absolute velocity can be defined as the common uniform linear velocity of various components or of a physical system relative to absolute space. Absolute space in turn can be defined as the immobile three-dimensional physical void that exists independent of material bodies. Now relation between linear velocity, angular velocity and angular acceleration. So linear velocity, rate of change of displacement, angular velocity, rate of change of angular displacement, and linear acceleration, a is equal to dv upon dt, means rate of change of velocity, angular acceleration d omega upon dt. Then concept of relative velocity of a point to link. So what is relative velocity? Relative velocity means the vector difference between the velocities of two bodies regarded as one brings at rest compared to relative motion. Let us consider a particle A moves with an absolute velocity va with reference to a fixed or stationary object like wall or a floor or frame of a mechanism and another particle b with an absolute velocity vb. The relative velocity of a particle b relative with a is vba, and it is defined as the velocity of particle b moving from an observer a and moving with va. Since the velocity is a vector quantity, it implies that vba will be also vector quantity. So details of this we will see while we will draw velocity diagram, and how it is to be drawn, that we will see in next lecture. And complete chapter is actually you have to find out graphically. So in next lecture I will try to explain one problem, find out the velocity graphically.